Welcome back, everybody. Today we have to update you about Open because reverse from the bottom. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here is only for educational purposes and we will not provide any financial advice. So always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So as you can see, guys, Open is reversing from the bottom that we discussed on Discord early on yesterday. And of course, we updated today around this breakout and we discussed it yesterday when we pulled back around the $2.95 and we reversed from there. And of course, we discussed other stocks that did really great for today, which is APM, of course, did really great. And with the other one is AEMD, of course, we did it on our today watch list, which did really great to reverse and hit the $2.39 and beyond. Let me just show you. This one was really crazy. 129 went until the $2.73 and is still pumping. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our Hunter channel in Discord and Patreon. In the meantime, Open, guys, reversed and did 11%, a big surprise because we got really good news about Open settled with investors over issues with his housing algorithm. So did really great job after this pullback, because lately when we update you guys about this stock was almost 30 or around the $4.25 and pulled back almost 30% down toward the $3, and now we reversing toward the 4. So where the price will go and what we should expect for Open in the coming days, because Open technically right now is a meme stock and now we have to look out on the next squeeze up. So for now, we got a resistance that we should break around the $3.82. We have other levels that we might test for Open around the $4.25 and $4.79. And many of you asking about the $5 and the $10. This is the levels that we might go to if we held today or this month. Because we've got almost 10 days on this month before September, is over the $3 and the 270. If we held this bottom, guys, this mean Open will continue this reversal, because as you can see here, we entered in this bullish channel, we broke it here on Wednesday yesterday, and now we reversing again. But this is a turning point from my opinion for Open around the $3.82. If we broke it, is me we're gonna have a really interesting reversal and bullish momentum in the last 10 days in this month and have a bullish ending for this month. So we're going to discuss Open and other stocks tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open, on our live streaming, daily live streaming. If you don't know, now you know. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future update. And before that, almost 2 hours and another update 4 hours before the market open to discuss the pre-market, because always the pre-market have the more action. And during the market open or before the market open for update for the levels for many stocks. The link comes section below to our community Discourse and Bitcoin. In the meantime, thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.